All right, all right, all right, all right. Listen, 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 listen. I have a new project going on, all right? So what I will try to do is I will try to impersonate a Haitian actor. His name is Tonton Bicha. He's my favorite actor. He's my favorite. He's a legend. Um, it's very unfortunate that I don't see quite more of him you know in social media. Maybe it's because I'm not into social media too much, but um, here's the plan. Every day I will try to make a video, and it's gonna be a Haitian comedy type video. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, still hit the thumbs up because I don't care what you think, anyways. All right? Listen, listen. I don't. No, no, no time to play a game. All right? No time. All right? Just hit the button whether you like me or not. See, that's a little hint of him. That's something that he would do, but I didn't use his voice really. All right. So I realized that when I'm in my office working, like right now it's 11 p.m. I'm in my office. Well, what happened to the screen? The screen went. I'm in my office working right now. Trying to put a few more hours before I go to sleep. But I'm like, you know what? You can't be too serious all the time, man. You gotta do something fun for the people, all right? So I said, okay, okay, okay. So what I'm gonna try to do from now on is that during break, I give myself like a 15, 20 minutes break every hour. You know what I mean? So during break, I'll just make a little video just to make you guys laugh, and hopefully, you know, you guys like it. All right. So go to the next video, and then you'll have a hint of how my videos, my comedy videos, will be like. All right. Thanks for watching. And guess what? I will have another video coming tomorrow. It's guaranteed. All right. I don't care even if it's like 11:59 p.m. It'll come through. Just stay up and watch it. All right. Thanks. Peace out.